If you have stopped working because of COVID-19, the Canada Emergency Response Benefit may provide you with temporary income support. To start your online application, visit canada.ca/coronavirus-CERB. Then you will be asked a few simple questions. Depending on your answers, you will be directed to one of two destinations: Service Canada or the Canada Revenue Agency. Once you've completed your application, you will land on a confirmation page. Only apply for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit from either Service Canada or the Canada Revenue Agency, not both. If you are eligible to receive the Canada Emergency Response Benefit, you will receive your payment in 3 to 5 business days by direct deposit or in 10 days by check. If you've applied for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit with Service Canada, you must complete reports to continue receiving payment. Visit canada.ca/EI-internet-reporting. If you've applied for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit with the Canada Revenue Agency, you must reapply every 4 weeks to continue receiving payment.